Good day. Today I will explain the difference between rationalism, empiricism, and dualism and how these ideas apply to real life. What is the difference between rationalism, empiricism, and dualism? Rationalism. Rationalism is the belief that we gain knowledge through thinking and logic rather than experience. For example, in math, we don't need to count objects to know that 2 plus 2 is equals to 4 because we can figure it out using logic. Empiricism. Empiricism is the idea that we learn through experience and observation. So, for example, a scientist testing a new medicine relies on experiments and results rather than just thinking about how it might work. And lastly, dualism. Dualism is the idea that the mind and body are separate but connected. This means that our thoughts, mind, and physical actions, body, are two different things but influence each other. For example, when we feel nervous mind, our heart rate increases body, showing the connection between the two. How can you relate our lessons to real life situations? Rationalism in decision making. When we plan for our future careers, we analyze different options logically rather than relying only on emotions or experiences. For instance, a student might choose a course based on its job opportunities rather than personal interest alone. Empiricism and learning. In school, we learn best through experience. For example, in IT, coding is better understood by actually writing programs and testing them rather than just reading about it. And lastly, dualism. Dualism in health, stress from schoolwork can cause headaches or tiredness, proving that our mind and body affect each other. Relaxation techniques like meditation can help. So in conclusion, these concepts help us think smarter, learn better, and take care for ourselves. Rationalism improves decision making, empiricism encourages hands-on learning, and dualism shows the connection between mental and physical health. By applying them in real life, we can become better learners and problem solvers. And that's all. Thank you for listening.